So we are making a new game, like a game obviously. Why am I always doing this? Delete the scratch hat. Done. Delete costume 2, costume 1. During a gym, group, fill it, weights. Now it's better. Make it a gradient too. And making it a nice gradient. Put it in the center. Black clicked. Whatever. Set to go. Go to x 0 by 0. And just an if else. Touching mouse pointer. Doesn't mean this. It's going at the screen. Dean's eyes by size. That should be incredibly large. Minus 120. 130. 130. Divide by. Now. Divide by 2 then. Yep. Oh yes. And now then the same thing, we have to just duplicate and just write 100. Done. Now we have to put an if statement. Milestone. And if milestone, then we're going to just make it a little bit lighter. Okay, this can be costume 1, and then there's costume 2, which is the lighter version. And set to costume 1. What? Thank you. And code. When green and black clicked, switch costume to costume 1. Here, switch costume to costume 2. Then to costume 1. wait until wait. It's like this, and then an if. Duplicate operators, not. If touching mouse pointer, then yeah, then there's going to be gem. Let's do a small readout, normal readout. Just just because we are going to do the layouts things later. Change gems by gems per colleague. And set gems to 0. Set gems per click to 1. See, it's nice. Nice effect. And obviously, this is not a clicker game without a shop. So we are going to make a shop button at first. A shop. Make it at the center and drag it to any position you want. I'm going to choose here. And I'm going to make a nice shop layout. You can use your own layout as well. I'm using the line tool. Or the cane tool. That's okay. This looks like a chair. Nope. I'm not good at drawing. I'll just write shop. Shop. And next costume, I'll write home. This spirit one, I'm going to call as the gem or the clicker. And sprite 2, I will call it as the shop button. Okay, so when Rainbow clicked, when this sprite clicked, and if else, I'm going to make a variable shop open, hide. So when Rainbow clicked, should shop open to 0, shop open to 1, and then back to 0. When this is shop open equals to 0, and we're going to make a for every loop, if and an if. Shop open is that cannot be useful. we're going to put events, broadcast, and broadcast. Message 1, nope. Shop open. Shop open. Then cloth shop. I'm doing cloth shop because it sounds funny. I clearly like this kind of bit. So let's do here. Cloth shop is 1. Doesn't work. Okay, we're going to do one more thing. Here's costume 2 and here's costume 1. And I clicked, set to costume 1. Shop, home shop, home shop, home shop. Home shop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Start. And then home shop, home shop. This opens the shop, which is going to be a corner right over here. Just let's make the GUI. Large square. Let's make it a nice red color. And we are going to set this to back layer. Yes. Sorry about that. Wait. Sorry for that. And we need to make the shop actually work. So let's make one more. Let's call this GUI. And this could be called shop layout. And the shop layout would be like this. See? The shop layout. Okay, the shop layout, we don't need to make the same color, so I'm just making it blue. So I'm going to make, and the next costume will be just blank. So when green flag clicked, forever, 2 ifs. When green flag clicked, switch costume to costume 2, then events. I save glass shop and then I save shop open. Duplicate this and duplicate this. Let's do one. So it happens like this. Shop home. I think it's going the wrong way. I think it went the wrong way. Shop open is 0, broadcast short, open broadcast. Well, this is the problem. This is the problem. This definitely is the problem. Costume 2, costume 1, back to normal. Sorry about that. I forgot about this. Ah! Hurts. Go to front layer. Ah! Ah! Take. Nice. Let's add a first upgrade. Sprite 1. Just make it like this. And shop, yes. Yes. Fits perfectly in this shot. Let's just make it like this. Does. Red. Guess. Okay. Now we are going to make the layout of this. It's going to be this. Gem. It'll give a +1 click. Cost 50 and 30 gems. I'm just gonna make a copy of the gem. Paste it here. Like small. What is happening here? Ah! Ah! Oops, thank you. This. And we need the same kind of code like this. Instead of that, we're going to make when we perfect. Hide. When I receive class shop. Hide. When I receive open shop open. Didn't show you. Look at that. Just going to do like that. Yes. Okay, so now let's make it smaller so that some more can fit. Okay, so what? Okay, smaller gem cost 30 gems, and this. Done. Well, this can't be an upgrade if it doesn't work. So let's go to control, if, and events. When the square clicked, if greater than 29, and that's gems, change gems per click by 1. Change gems by -30. And that's all. So let's do this. Snaps. 29:30. Gems per click. Oh, that's wrong because gems per click. That's wrong. Okay, done. Now we can make a sound effect for when we click the gem. Let's find some sounds. effects and notes. Effects. That's good. Start sound collect. And also, you can also... I'll also make another sprite called mute. Mute. Might. Mute. Whatever. Might mean... I'll keep it in mind. X. Great. See you in the next episode.